Hello and welcome to Automation Masters. This is the New York market session open and we're looking at USA 30 that is being traded by the Sumari AutoTrader Robot. Right now you see we started exactly when the open started. We had the market trading around this resistance zone, and as soon as it was broken out, then the Sumari AutoTrader Robot took a buy, and then we had the market shooting all the way to the top, and then as soon as it started coming back, the bot closed this buy and then started executing a sell, which has been a super sniper entry, getting into the market, selling all the way to that low there at the bottom. How beautiful this is. This is the Sumari AutoTrader Robot, and it's so powerful. Right now, sitting at that level, a lot of manual traders could have bought at that level, looking at where the market has been at. So this is the first touch, second touch, and a third touch over there. So market makers know that a lot of you guys bought, or we're going to be buying at this level, hence they are coming for your SLs. Can be that after hitting all the stop losses, the market may still come back to buy, and if that is to happen, the Sumari AutoTrader Robot will get into buy trades going up. But if they see that there's a lot of traders not letting go of this trade, then you can see the market shooting going all the way down to the bottom. And if that is to happen, the bot will continue holding this trade all the way down to the bottom. This is Dow Jones, babes. This is Dow Jones, baby, and we are milking it hard. How beautiful this is. Automation trading is the future of trading. You know that you can't handle manual trading. Your heart is always pulsing too much whenever you have to get into a trade, and also your psychology. You cannot trade like a robot. We programmed this AI trading tool, and it trades based on what we've programmed it to do. And right now, if you're a manual trader, you need to second guess every trade. But what's beautiful about an automated trading system is that once it's got the algorithm right, it just trades based on it. And our bot trades based on pure price action, the king of all trading systems. So right now, that is why the Sumari AutoTrader Robot, it is the king of all kings. Let us quickly check at USTEC. These are the two most powerful instruments that are traded during the New York market session open when you're trading indices. So now we had a couple of trades here. We first took a buy, and when the market was dropping a bit on almost on the very same level, we started to sell, but then we saw the market moving up a bit all the way to that level. Then the bot saw that that was not going to materialize. We bought around there, we lost that trade, and then we started selling from there. So right here, the market was kind of like correcting itself, trying to find a new move. So we started selling as soon as the market was dropping like that. So on USTEC, which is Nasdaq 100, we are in on the sell, so we are definitely in correctly. The market can be formulating another level around this area, which can see this as an initial buyer's market, this trade as a retracement. Then there could be a potential continuation moving up to the top. If that is to happen, then you will see the bot, we will close the sell and continue opening a new buy. But if that is not going to be happening, we will hold the sell until the market pushes further down all the way up until around these areas, around this area over here on this trend line. So now that is what I wanted to show you guys with the indices. As I always say, it's time to trade. Little hella descent.
I'm in the streets, so I'm grinding hard. Automation masters, we be raising the bar. Forex trading, we got the skill. Sumari Robot, yeah, it's the real deal. Money flowing like a river, we don't play games. We stay focused, we stay in our lanes.